In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame video on CapCut PC. If you want to pause a dramatic moment, stop an action shot right in midair, or hold on a single frame so you can add text, graphics, or effects, CapCut PC makes it really simple. A freeze frame is a great editing tool because it helps draw attention to one exact moment in your video without needing any complicated editing techniques. To get started, the first thing you want to do is choose the exact moment you want to freeze. On your timeline, click on your video clip so it's selected, then move your vertical playhead to the precise frame where you want the action to stop. Take your time here because the frame you choose is the image that will be held on screen. If you're working with fast motion, it can help to move carefully and zoom in on the timeline if needed, just so you can land on the perfect frame. Once your playhead is in the right spot, it's time to create the freeze frame. Look at the editing toolbar directly above the timeline tracks and click the freeze button. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and F on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically cuts the clip at that point and inserts a frozen image frame right into the middle of your video. By default, that frozen section lasts for 3 seconds, which gives you an instant pause effect without any extra setup. After that, you can adjust the freeze frame to fit the timing of your edit. Click the frozen segment on the timeline to select it. If you want the pause to last longer, drag one of its outer edges outward. If you want it shorter, drag the edge inward. This gives you a lot of control over the pacing so you can make the frozen moment feel quick and punchy or hold it longer for emphasis. Now that the frame is frozen, this is the perfect place to add extra elements on top of it. You can place text overlays, stickers, or sound effects directly over the frozen scene to highlight what's happening or make the moment more engaging. This is especially useful for tutorials, reaction-style edits, sports clips, or dramatic reveals. And that's it. Once you've placed the freeze frame, adjusted its length, and added any graphics you want, you're all set. That's how to freeze frame video on CapCut PC quickly and easily.